Hello friends, today we learn the next point, that is optical instrument. Here when we see any object, that object makes an angle with our eyes. That angle is called as a visual angle. If that object makes a visual angle small, then we appears the image is small or that object is small. When that object makes a visual angle maximum, then we can appears that object is large in size. That means from this we can say that the size of that object is depends upon the visual angle. Visual angle is nothing but that object makes an angle with our eyes. Here when we can see any object without straining the eyes, that distance is called as a DDV, that is distance of a distinct vision. What is DDV? DDV is nothing but the maximum distance at which we can see that object without straining the eyes, and for normal eyes that distance of a distinct vision is 25 centimeter. How much it is? It is DDV is for normal eyes 25 centimeter. When we learn this optical instrument, in that optical instrument we find out the magnifying power. Magnifying power is nothing but the ratio of visual angle made by the image to the visual angle made by the object. That magnifying power for the simple microscope, here we can see the magnifying power of simple microscope, or it is also called as a reading glass, and in that if we can see there magnifying power of that simple microscope, that magnifying power is nothing but the ratio of beta by alpha. What is beta? Beta is the angle made by the image, or visual angle made by the image and visual angle made by that object, that is beta by alpha. Here if we consider any object, suppose AB is any object, and from this we see the image object, at that time that object makes an angle, that angle is called as a alpha. When any object makes a visual angle, that object visual angle by object is denoted by alpha. When we see there that distance is how much? That distance is a distance of a distinct feature. That means when we should take any object for that simple microscope within the focus, this is the focus point where the rays are converged, this distance is called as a focus distance. And when this object is within the focus, at that time image is formed by that lens is virtual, erect and magnified. How image is formed? Virtual and erect and magnified. What is magnified? Magnified is nothing but it is enlarged, erect means straight, virtual means imaginary. When this image is formed, when that object is within the focus, and here we consider that object, that is AB, and its image is formed, that is A dash and B dash. Image distance is denoted by V and object distance is denoted by U. Angle made by image with the pole, that angle is called as a visual angle made by that image, that is beta. Here when we see the magnifying power, that magnifying power is nothing but the ratio of visual angle made by image to the visual angle made by that object. Here that approximately equal to tan values, that is tan of beta upon tan of alpha. Tan of beta is nothing but the opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB, so we should write here AB divide. Adjacent is the object distance, so we should write here U. And again tan alpha is nothing but the opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB and adjacent is what? Adjacent is distance of a distinct vision, so we should write here d. That means we see here, we calculate, that is AB upon U into D upon AB, that AB cancel, we should get D upon U is the magnifying power of that simple microscope. We know that for thin prism or a thin lens, in that we should write here 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. When we should use this formula for the simple microscope, at that time this focal point is plus sign, image distance is minus sign, object is to the left side, so it is also minus, and distance of a distant vision is also left side, so it is having minus sign, minus d. When we should take these values here, we should write 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V. Instead of V, we should write minus V, and minus plus, we should write here 1 upon U. This minus become plus, so plus 1 upon U. When we should multiply D here, that is D upon F, D upon V, and D upon U. This D upon U is nothing but the, suppose D upon U is equal to, this minus sign comes here, we should write here D upon F plus, this minus sign becomes plus sign, that is D upon V, and D upon U is nothing but the magnifying power for a simple microscope. When this magnifying power is maximum, at that time this magnifying power is maximum, at that condition this object distance image is formed at a distance of a distinct vision, and so we should write here V is equal to D. In that case we should write here, that is magnifying power is D upon U is equal to D upon F plus D upon image is formed at which distance of a distinct vision, and so this dd cancel, we should get 1 plus D upon F. This is the magnifying power of that simple microscope is maximum. Again, when we should take this magnifying power is minimum, in that condition this D upon U in that is equal to, that image is formed at infinity. When we should take D upon infinity, it becomes a 0, and so image is formed upon D upon F, that is magnifying power, we should get D upon F. Magnifying power is maximum, it's having value 1 plus D upon F, and magnifying power of that simple microscope at infinity, we should get D upon F. Thank you.